Okay, so we did a staycation for the President's Day weekend. Excuse my children getting ready for the pool. And this is a Marriott resort. I'm gonna have to ask how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's the Jacquard or Jackard. I'm gonna guess Jacquard. Anywho, it's right in the Cherry Creek area of Denver. I can see the skyline. I can see the mountains. It has a rooftop pool on the 9th floor, which also has a restaurant. Okay, now we have a little bit quieter. There is a restaurant on site. There is rooms in the room service. I did use our Marriott Bonvoy status. I got to upgrade to a mountain view, but we got 2 queen beds, as you'll see in the room tour. One of the cons I'd say is parking, because there's really only on-street parking. There's a parking garage, but like it's not part of the hotel, so I wasn't sure. So I did valet. It's $60. So I'm gonna have to check if I get a discount because of our Marriott Bonvoy, but I'm not sure. Anywho, next I'm gonna show you the pool, the room tour. You're gonna see all of that. So here we go. Okay, here we are, room 1813 at the Jacquard. I think I said it right. I'm not sure. So we were supposed to just have 2 queen room. I asked for an upgrade, so we got a better view. We got a mountain view. So here's the entrance. Here is the bathroom. You know I'm a bathtub person. There is no bathtub, but it is a beautiful bathroom. One of my favorite things resorts do is a black makeup towel. They got some really nice looking products. Oh, you know what's funny? I always ask for stuff, and I think I got some. I got the vanity kit. Cool. Then we got all this. We got a nice separate toilet, which is nice, with frosted glass, so you don't have to watch someone go to the bathroom. Ooh, beautiful looking shower. I like it when you can start a shower over here and don't have to go in it. Okay, beautiful. Really cute. And then some extra towels, and again, we got a hair dryer. A lot of drawers for bathroom stuff. Okay, to the bedroom part. We got, I lost my kids, that's okay. We got obviously a nice television. We got water bottles on check-in. He said we can use these to fill up with the water, but I'm not sure, like, are we charged for that? Yeah, $15. Oh, and then you can get a robe for $90. Ooh. Good to know. A giant cherry, which I like. Let's look at more drawer storage. We got 3 drawers here. We got a nice chair. Charging spot with a kind of cool lamp. Here's our mountain views. Look at that. There's Denver. This area here is really great. Over here we have a shopping area. You can't really see it. There's the mountains, there's the sun. We're gonna visit the rooftop bar in a bit. And here's the bed area. We got 2 beds. And lots of charging spaces, lots of USB. We got 4 charging things and 2 USBs. I like it when you have a light you can do beside here. Ooh, we got a smart fridge. If you wanna buy some wine stuff. Oh, look at this. I haven't seen something like this in a while. Oh no. We got we got coffee. We got coffee, which is, it's an espresso, which I really like. An espresso is my coffee brand. I also like these cups. I've heard hotel cups are gross, but I like how these look. I actually usually use them for my toothbrush. Now, let me get back to the drawer. I've never seen, it's an ironing board. It's a full ironing board. And then, hold on. I can't shut it with myself. Oh, we got a safe, nice large safe. And these are just drawers. And then, hold on. I got my daughter in the closet here where my son was.
Don't come in.
Well, hold on, please. We got robes in here, which I think are nice. I always love a hotel robe. And then, no, you can't put anything under the bed. And this is the room. So, and obviously an outfit check mirror, which is my favorite. So this is the rooftop bar that's usually open. It is not open today. But they have it covered and they have heaters. And then here's the pool area. So here's where you grab towels and water and all that. And here is the pool. So there's where we came in. And here is the pool area. We have this really nice long pool. They got seating here along the side. It goes all the way back and ends in a hot tub. Okay, here is the rest of the pool. I just waited for, we were swimming with another family who was so nice. So they have, it's not a very deep pool. I think it is 3 feet, 8 inches the whole entire way. This little tent area here is a chessboard. It's also heated. So if you want to sit in there and watch your kids from there. There we have Bodhi swimming away and we got Lowell over here in the hot tub. And like I said, 8th floor. So look at these views. Okay, here's that indoor room. Honestly, it's almost too hot in here right now. I'm sure because they have that heater, but there were little kids in here last night. But they have this kind of area set up. And there's a family kind of sitting in here with younger kids. And then it lights up with lights. And here we have it. And then there you see the restaurant there, which is closed on Mondays. Okay, got myself ready. I have a little surprise for my kids in downtown Denver. But this concludes our staycation here at the Jacquard. I'm guessing that's how I'm going with. I personally really enjoyed our stay. Our breakfast was awesome. People were awesome. Very helpful. I needed toothbrushes in the middle of the night. They came. So I hope you enjoyed these room tours and hotel tours. We are Marriott members. We'll always do Marriott resorts most of the time. So I love sharing our love of Marriott. So hopefully you enjoyed this video.